guys, I'm going to show you how to get Riot rewards from Twitch streams. So first, link your Riot and Twitch accounts. So you can go to the official Riot account connections. So go to Riot account connection page and connect your Twitch account from there. Then log in into your Twitch account and authorize the connection. You can also go to Twitch and connect Riot Games from there. So go to your profile and go to settings, go to connections, scroll down to Riot Games and just click on the connect button and authorize the connection. Now for the next method is to watch eligible Riot streams. So popular official channels include VALORANT Twitch channel. So you can go ahead and search on that. You can also go ahead and search for LOL Sports. Then go ahead and watch for the required time. So most Riot drops require watching for a certain amount of time, usually 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or longer during live sports events. So keep the stream open and log into the correct Twitch account. Now for the next method is to claim the reward on Twitch. So when you earn a drop, click your Twitch profile picture and then open drops and rewards and press claim, or you can go directly to Twitch drops inventory. So after claiming, rewards usually appear automatically in game. Sometimes it can take a few hours. So if rewards don't show up, you can recheck your Riot Twitch link. Make sure you claim the drop, restart the game client, and wait a bit during high traffic events. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.